Hi guys, welcome to Water Bracelet. My name is Erica and I'm your shop owner. Recently, I posted a survey asking you guys would you like to start a small business in making bracelets. 68% of you guys said yes and 32% said no. And I really appreciate your honesty. So for the 68% of you, if you head to my Etsy page, as you can see, I typed it out on the screen, is What a Bracelet Com. Again, it is What a Bracelet Com, one word. If you click on that, you will be able to click on you should be able to click on my shop as I'm doing right now. This phone is moving kind of slow. Here you have the kits that I am now, your bracelet business starter kits. Pretty much you have a business in a box, to sum it up. If you scroll further down and you go to item details, it tells you exactly what's in the box and how many pieces. I have it on sale for $102. Original price was $120. I have a limited kits. So yeah, go check the page out and let me know. Shoot me an email. You can hit me up on TikTok. Just let me know.